So today I wanted to do 20 questions, get to know me / my channel. So let's get started with this video. My name is Pat. I live in Virginia, an hour outside of DC. My channel name is very easy. It's MS, which is the abbreviation for Miss. Sassy, that is the word that I think describes me. And then I just use my name, Pat. MsSassyPat. My channel is to inspire natural hair, beauty, and style. I started this channel back in June of 2017. I posted 3 videos and then I just went dark. So I relaunched my channel back in January 1st of 2020. I like DIYs, hair of course, and beauty and makeup. So Natural 85, Karen Brickchick, Amber Shoal, I think I butchered her name, Patricia Bright, The Best Dress, the Notorious KIA, and there's so many more that I don't really know their name. No, I do have a full-time job. I upload at least 1 video every week. When I first started out, I was using iMovie, and then I moved to Final Cut Pro. When I first started, I was using my iPhone 11 Pro, and then I started using my Canon Powershot G7X Mark III. Yes, I use a tripod that I think I got from Best Buy for $20. And I used the Neewer light that I got from Amazon. I think it was 70 something. I don't remember the exact price, but I'll put everything that I use in the description bar. And I use an iMac. I don't have a dedicated like office space. I just use a wall as my YouTube studio. A lot of trial and error. I do watch a lot of YouTube tutorials that has really taught me on how to set up my camera, how to edit with the iMovie as well as the Final Cut Pro. I actually get my music from my son, and I will leave his information in the description section. I mostly record my videos on the weekend. Getting out of your head and not comparing yourself to seasoned YouTubers. Is it YouTubers? Seasoned YouTubers. I don't know if that's the right word. That would be Instagram and just recently TikTok. I hate to say it, but I'm on YouTube a lot. I'm definitely on there every day watching videos, watching tutorials. My DIY face mask out of a sock. Just to do it, don't overthink the process, and to celebrate your journey. So that would be it on my 20 questions. Get to know me. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my very next video. Bye. MsSassyPat, subscribe and turn on your notification. Are we friends yet? Follow me at MsSassyPat. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification. MsSassyPat.